Guys, I have a story. Eto, fast forward muna tayo and back. Alam niyo ba guys, yung mga kasama ko sa kakahanap at kalilibot, sila ay nagutom. Sabi nila, dito daw sa dagat na kung saan ay meron daw pong McDonald dito. At ito pala guys ay sa Beirut, Lebanon. Yan yung mga kasama ko at pagod na sila, bago na nila maglakad sa sobrang gutom. At napagkasunduan na sa halip sa pagkain Pinoy, kakain, may iba naman. At dito daw ay merong McDonald. Tara, ating putikman yung kanilang fried chicken dito. Yan, at nakarating na po kami dito sa McDonald. So bali nasa loob na po kami. Yan.
Ano order mo? Anong order mo? Ano order mo, Chab?
Masaya. Ano bahala sa'yo?
Bumili ka niya para meron
Kain ka na naman ah.
Guys, kadalasan yung order nito kahit sa work ay hamburger. So yan, mini siya. Bali yan po yung mga kasama namin sa work dati at naiwala din po dito at napakapag-jowa ng Lebanese. Sana all. Yan, guys, ay yan. So, ang tagal ko pala mag-order nito. At hindi na kami pumunta sa counter. Kasi meron dito para i-print na lang yung receipt. Yun yung ipapakita mo muna sa counter.
The bar doth write a tale of escape in the dead of night, with poison force and daggers blunted. The death's a ruse so cunningly hunted. To distant shores the lovers flee, their hearts unbound, their spirits free. No more in shadows must they hide.
Yan, medyo matagal kasi naghanap pa ito ng ng discount. So, para daw maka-discount. Yun, na order na. Bali pala guys, meron din ditong free siya pero may discount. May toy na kung saan pwede pumili na shoes. Now we're going to upstairs and finding a tables for us. We're waiting our orders.
A tale of love none shall forget, for they dared to defy the bard's own pen and found their.
And then when you are looking outside the overview, guys, I will show you what we found outside. Yes, from outside, our beaches, someone walking, and then the other fishing. Here we go, guys. Our orders arrives. Let's eat. So these our orders, the orders. So once again, I will show you outside the busy streets, more vehicles passing by. At yan guys, yung kadalasan din na nilalakar namin kapag off at naglalakad kami ng friends ko dyan. At yan yung McDonald. Bali, nasa first floor kami guys pala. At yun, yung mga kasama ko ay kumakain na.
Shakespeare, thy will we shall defy, rewrite our fate, for love will not die. From Verona's sorrow we shall flee, to live our love eternally. The shadows dark, they dome their guise, a journey forth to claim their prize. To Stratford's land, where quills do flow, they venture forth 'neath moonlight's glow.